Good morning. So that's the sunrise at Bake Oven Knob via Appalachian Trail in Germansville, Pennsylvania. If you can see how beautiful it is, yeah, it's one of my favorite places to watch the sunrise here. It's freezing. It's so rocky, as you can see. I am debating on what trail I want to do next. If I want to go to the Delaware Water Gap into New Jersey, or if I want to hike nearby. So I guess we'll see when I make it to the car what I decide on. I'm just so happy that we have more daylight now. So that means more hiking time. I look like Rudolph right now. What the hell? My nose. So I took the short trail here just so I can sleep in a little bit. It's a quick hike to the view. So if you like to sleep in like me, but definitely want to catch a sunrise, yeah, I would definitely recommend this place. And for the most part, like early in the morning, I mean, at least now, or every time that I've come, it's not that packed. So you'll kind of have the place to yourself at one point or another. Yeah, check this place out. All right, so I'm aiming more towards Delaware Water Gap. My friend lives nearby, and she hit me up wanting to hike today after my sunrise, so I think I'm going to go there. It's about an hour drive. It's not that bad. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna end up going there, but who knows? I'm like so indecisive that I might change my mind by the time I get to the car. But no, I think I'll stick with Delaware Water Gap. We shall see.